I'm from Andhra Pradesh. My name is Shad. I'm studying grade 5, Unduru, Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, Lakshya International School.
Okay, what's your experiment about today?
My experiment is about density.
So what do you have here?
These are three liquids. Those are honey, water, and cooking oil.
Okay.
Honey is present at the bottom of the glass because it's more denser than cooking oil and water. Water is present at the top of the honey because it's more denser than cooking oil and less denser than honey. Cooking oil. The cooking oil is less denser than these two liquids.
Okay.
Now we have some objects to see whether they float or sink. First we have an iron nut. The iron nut is present at the bottom of the glass because it's more denser than cooking oil, water and honey. Next we have grape. It is present at the top of the honey because it's more denser than cooking oil and water and less denser than honey. Next we have bottle cap. The bottle cap is present at the top of the water because it is less denser than water and honey and more denser than cooking oil.
And the sponge is at the top of all.
Yeah.
So you can see the layers here, layers of the liquid and the solids also, right?
Density was introduced to the world around 250 BC by a Greek mathematician and scientist Archimedes. Application of density in real life. Density determines whether an object floats or sinks. The object which has less density will float and more density will sink. It is the basis for gold mining, blood separation, etc. It is also used to separate two substances or three substances like water and oil. Oil is present at the top. Oil floats on water because of its low density. It is also used in other aspects such as shipbuilding, aircraft designs, pipe designs, etc. Thank you.
Thank you. That was